Alright, go.
I don't know this.
Let's go.
I really don't know this stuff.
Complex Q? Or, Complexus? Perplexus, that's what it's called.
Perplexus Epic.
Alright, let's get this,
I've
actually,
never heard of this thing.
oh, fuck, everything's going, alright, I'm done. Alright, you just keep doing that, I'm gonna, yeah, you do you, hon.
Oh, I will, boy.
I'm just gonna,
Okay. I can't do that.
You're done with the perplexus? Yeah, no, it's impossible.
After the teeter-totter thingy, I am done.
Same. That thing is just gay. Oh, this is recorded. Really?
Yes. Just off of like
Rattenio ragazzo. Yeah, it's so
live is enough. So you're not sure who entered that tune.
What are we doing with our lives?
Could have been me. Could have been me.
Yeah. Oh, is that the next one? Yeah, that's the next one.
Melody. What?
You know, like 3 of the words.
Yes.
The hundreds is a melody.
Don't wanna live with an unsung melody. They aren't exactly the most understandable band.
They aren't. Especially when they talk like this. Like the guy from Guns N' Roses.
Like, the only thing that you understand in any of their songs is the chorus.
The chorus.
They sing the chorus.
Yeah. Alright, here, let's get this. Stay down there!
Is this necessary?
Look right there! Okay, no! Okay, you have to look there! Good. That's the scene. That's the whole scene. Just die for the fuck. That does. I don't know. I mean, just whatever. Shut up. I've never like playing them all. I had it in a box at Christmas. They said, "Don't move it. You'll know what's inside." I'm like, "Okay." And then I pick it up Christmas Day. I'm like, "You fucking idiot!" I'm just like, I got my grandfather one of those, and I don't think that man has ever cursed before. He was in the news once because he only missed 1 day of school ever, and it was for his grandfather's funeral, and they still counted him. They still counted it against him. But I mean, yeah, I guess he was still absent, but fuck, it was his grandfather's male parental figure's birthday. God damn. Funeral. I cannot speak. English eludes me. I almost said dilutes me.
English eludes the people who made English, okay?
God, I like the kids in Spanish who go, I can hardly speak English. Oh, that thing. That still works? What?
Barely.
Yeah, really, though. I'm surprised. Alright, I don't really have any other math work, so I'm just gonna take some other papers, and... Oh, what was the line from that one comedian? Here come the spoons, motherfucker, something like that. I don't know. It's something about spoons. It was really long and honestly kind of boring, but then finally, like, the last 4 seconds were actually good. Neither do I, honestly. Something that the one kid from robotics once showed me. Can't remember his name now.
Dakota.
Nope.
Jeremy.
Jeremy's
the one who shot.
The one with like a really red face.
Nope.
Nope. Never mind.
Really red face. I
don't remember now.
His arm always would have been shot. Thankfully. Oh God.
This is the one where it seems like it multiplies. Alright. I don't know, I just don't like that one. Like that clock. Where did I put the stage directions? I did not lose the stage directions. I think I lost. This is recording! Okay, that little... Oh, I'm in the shot. Fuck. I don't want to talk about it. Jacob? Jacob? In the dark. Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Yes, you two walked off with it. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. I watched you walk off with it. Yeah, you put it down somewhere. You walked into a living room.
I didn't. I stood right there the whole time.
Uh-huh. Mom! Did Jacob come out there? Did he?
John, it's right there.
I heard it hit the floor. I heard it hit the floor. Has it been recorded this whole time? No, it's only been like... It's like crack cocaine and House Hunters International. You just can't get enough of it.
Unlike you guys, I am where kind of
'Kay.
where only what? You're wearing
That works, I guess. That looks kind of
I should have more than you. I just But you know what? I gave her my cake. But you know what? I probably never announced the house when you're sleeping. Like, not on me, but it's okay. You want to wear Powerade today? Andrew left us. Okay. Andrew, you can wear Powerade today. Why do you
just lay down.
Yeah, so
almost
lay down with
the same.
us. Yeah, basically. Powerade box.
I'm announcing the test because the test is going to be coming soon on that date. Well, that's doing the test. Test done.
who's extra at that?
We got honked at, we're done. Did you really? Yeah, I have it on video.
So how funny, Andrew?
Don't throw me. I'm supposed to be scolding you and not
I'll just make it.
The letters are really good. Matthew is
No, I can't even.
But the
Sam and Paul and Emily all went cake.
Emily?
we can write produced by smaller.
Go.
We don't need our stuff.
Do it, okay? Just have to do it. Just do it. Okay.
It's gonna be a pencil.
Lost her around, and you're like, oh yeah, your mom did like a crappy job.